Hi and welcome to Taiwandering with Jason. Today we are in Morton Grove, Illinois, and we're at Pequod's Pizza. Now, this pizza place is well known for its deep dish pizza. You ask a lot of Chicagoans what's their favorite. Some people will say Lou Malnati's, some people might say Bert's, some people might say Giordano's or Pizzeria Uno's. For my money, I would say it is Pequod's Pizza. One of the reasons why I really like this pizza a lot is because of the caramelized crust. I really enjoy the crust here. It's kind of burnt. I always like those burnt fries at McDonald's. Same sort of thing here. It's going to be a great time. So let's go. And I'm here with my friend Nick.
Hey, how you doing?
And Nick has something special to celebrate today. Why don't you tell us why you're celebrating at Pequod's?
I just did a 30-day challenge. We're trying to lose some weight and lost a total of 25 pounds, and this is my first real meal since then. So,
Nick, do you have any favorite pizza places that you like going to?
yeah, Pequod's is definitely my number one. I always tell people to come here, invite people here. Besides that, I like Home Run Inn. Barnaby's is really good, and then locally with multiple locations, Illuminati's and Giordano's are the big two. I prefer Lou's out of those two. A lot of people prefer Lou's. I would say my cousin will fight me tooth and nail that Giordano's is better, but I just don't buy it.
I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about the history of Pequod's.
This is the original location. It's been here since 1970.
Cool.
The original owner was Bert Katz.
Okay.
He sold to the current owner, Keith Jackson, in the 80s. I'm not sure the exact year. And he went on to open up other restaurants. He eventually opened up Bert's Place, which is right down the street.
Have you been to Bert's Place and tried out the pizza? Like, is it different than here?
I got it to go.
Okay.
They did change the recipe a little bit, but then I heard they changed it back, so I haven't been there recently.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we are going to get ready to eat our pizza, and one of the things that I really like about this is there is caramelized crust. It's kind of burnt on the sides. This is my favorite part. You know, I think this is what distinguishes Pequod's from the other deep dish places.
It's really good. Looking forward to eat this. Got a nice big piece. I'm ready to chow down.
All right, let's go. Let's give it a shot. How does it feel to eat something quote-unquote bad, sinful, after eating healthy for so long?
I feel like I'm Adam and I stole the apple from the tree.
Awesome.
So we were just discussing the toppings that we picked, and sausage pepperoni is always the best meat kind of topping to get. And Jason kind of wanted tomatoes, I wanted spinach, and I think it worked out lovely. Just a great combination. You can taste the tomatoes a little bit more, but the spinach, you can actually get that feeling of it. And just those four toppings, tomatoes, spinach, pepperoni, and sausage, just unbelievable pizza.
You know, I usually don't get tomatoes on the pizza because I think it's kind of redundant, but it really does add to the pizza.
Yeah.
I think it adds to the juiciness, just
Gives it a little
the
more
flavor.
pulp. Yeah.
Definitely, that's a good way of putting it. All right, so I just finished my first piece and I loved it. I am gonna try a second one. I think 2 might be my limit for today. I just have a feeling I don't think I can do 3. I'll try to do 3. We'll see if we can get there. So let's go. The first piece I had was pretty big, so that's why.
I mean, I'm only worried because you got to drive home. That third piece, you might fall asleep.
I might go into a food coma.
And that could affect my safety, so.
All right, let's try this second piece here.
Does it taste any different than the first piece?
Both have been fantastic. Good stuff. Now, one thing about deep dishes, you're gonna have to eat with a fork and a knife. There's no way you're gonna be able to eat it with your hand like a New York style pizza. But I'm okay with that. That's fine. Wish we had regular silverware, but you know, pandemic. So what are you gonna do?
So we're gonna go for slice number 3.
We are gonna try to do it. I didn't think I'd make it, but I think we got it. We got to do it today.
All right, so here's Jason eating his last piece of Pequods before he moves to Taiwan. Now there are reports that you're going to open up a similar pizza in Taiwan. Is that true or no?
To be determined.
To be determined.
You know, honestly, there are no real good deep dish pizzas in Taiwan, and so that's why I really wanted to come and grab some today with Nick. I will search for it, you know, so if you continue watching my videos, maybe we'll find a great Chicago deep dish pizza, but I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of like the taco thing. I don't know if I'm going to find the perfect taco out there either.
I wish you best of luck.
Oh boy, I did not think I was going to finish 3 slices of Pequod's pizza, just because they're so massive, but I think I'm going to be able to do it, so this is my last piece.
Yeah, you even finished it before I finished mine. All right, you want to order a second pizza?
We did order a second pizza for a friend of ours.
You want to eat his pizza?
That'd be funny if we just ate like a little slice of our friend's pizza. If you guys were betting on me finishing my 3 slices over Nick finishing our 3 slices, I think people would have lost a lot of money today. Do you agree?
Yeah, I had an early lead, but then you just chowed down. All right, final slice.
How do you feel, man?
I feel like I don't need to eat for another week.
It's like when those snakes eat their meal and then they don't eat for like another month. That's how I feel right about now.
Yeah, I'm just glad I don't have to drive home and probably sit on the couch for at least an hour. Who am I kidding? Probably 2.
Well, congratulations on your 30-day diet. I know it's a really tough thing. I've done it before as well too. So I'm very proud of you and what you've accomplished, man.
Much appreciated.